Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the query function in Google Sheets. A few things to note before we start writing the formula is that the query function uses certain clauses which are listed on the screen here, and the most important thing to note is that it needs to be followed in the same order. Not all of the clauses need to be used, they are optional based on the use case, but they need to be used in the same order. Today I will show you how to use one of the aggregation functions, which is the sum function within the query function. Let me start by explaining what I'm trying to achieve here. The goal is to get a summary of region-wise revenue. So let's start by writing the formula is equal to query, and let's write the range, which is columns A through H here in my case, and we'll go to open the quotes and start by writing the query, which is select column C, which is my region ID here, and group it by, summarize it by H, and I want to group this by region, which is group by C, close quotes, and hit enter. Here you can see a quick summary on the region-wise revenue. Now what I'm going to be doing is refine this further where I can use the where clause. So you see where is used after the select clause. So I'm going to be typing where. I'm going to be removing the empty spaces which are appearing in the table here. And to do that, I'm going to be saying where C is not null. And I'm going to hit enter. Now you see my table is refined and I do not have any blank cells. So we have already used select, where, group by. Now let's try and use pivot here. So pivot comes after group by, so we want to give a space, write pivot, and I want to have this by product, so which is column D, and I'm going to hit enter. And there you go, I have a pivot here now which has product wise, region wise revenue. We can now try and use the next function, which is order by, and I'm going to use order by C, which is my region, and I'm going to use it in descending order. So let's see what we get. So if we do not write DESC, the table is automatically sorted in ascending order. So please make a note of that and hit enter. And now you have the table in descending order. The next thing you can do is use the limit function here, and I only want to look at say the top two regions. So I'm going to write limit and write how many values I would want to appear in the table, and I want it to limit to 2, and I'm going to hit enter. So this was a quick summary on how to use the query function in Google Sheets. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.